Expectations versus reality of meeting someone from online. Maybe this guy is just really photogenic? I love online shopping. A designer tee? The only one of its kind? Only for me? And it's on sale? Add to cart. Purchase. Oh yes! And here it is, my precious! It fits me so well. Nobody else has a shirt like this. Hey girls, check it out! I'm a trendsetter! But in reality, everybody has a shirt like this. Wow! So much for unique fashion! Meeting someone online is a little like Russian roulette. This handsome gentleman looks amazing in his picture, like he graduated from Harvard. I can't wait to meet him. But in reality, I get a graduate of clown college. Hey hottie, here I am! What's up? This is him? I think one of us mixed something up. You have the wrong table. Sorry, I'm not your date. Well, if you say so, you are missing your chance. I'm the goddess of the dance floor. I just follow the rhythm. The beat tells me what to do. The show, So You Think You Can Dance, was inspired by me. Even Beyonce is jealous of me. And check out my signature move, hair dancing. But reality isn't ready for my dance moves yet. Excuse me, miss, are you all right? Maybe she's having a seizure. Call an ambulance. You think you are a god-tier rapper? Way to go, bro! Dope flow! And your jokes are on point! Give me 5! But reality hurts. Nobody understands you. Hey, this is so lame! My grandma has better rhymes. Get out of here! Rosie saw such a pretty photo on Instagram. Whoa, look at this! Her hair is flowing and her eyes are glowing. Wow. Let's try taking a pic like this. We'll need a hairdryer. I'm going to pose like Aphrodite. I bet this photo will be even better. I can't wait to see the results. But in reality, working as a model is harder than it seems. Her hair is all over the place, and her eyes hurt from the hot air. Let's not show anyone these photos, okay? Well, hello, handsome. I can't wait until my beard grows out. I'm going to be so macho. My beard will be neat and tidy, a barber's dream, and the girls will fall all over themselves to talk to me. But in reality, I could only grow a couple of hairs. It's hard to call this naked chin the stubble of my dreams. I've wanted a tattoo for so long. I want one just like the one this cool guy has. Oh yes, this tattoo is full of testosterone. I need one exactly like it. Right now! Give me an eagle, a skull, a knife, and a motorcycle. But start with this seawolf, right here. But reality has its own ideas. Your tattoo is all done. Ready to see it? Oh yeah! What is this? A worm? Get it off of me! I'm an artist. This is my vision. Want me to add a unicorn? No, thank you. This is the perfect weather for wearing a leather jacket. I love it when it's warm during fall. It's not even that cold. Amazing! But in reality, it feels like it's minus 100 outside. Why didn't I wear a parka? I can never wake up on time. That's it! Tonight, I promise I'll go to bed earlier. For real this time! By 10 p.m., I'm already going to be counting sheep and having sweet dreams. But in reality, I get distracted every evening. I'll just watch one more episode, then go to bed. I promise! Oh no! It's 3 a.m. again! I just got paid! Oh yes! Everything is awesome! Now I can go back to my luxury lifestyle. Furs, caviar, bands of cash? I love living large! But in reality, I spend my money on different things. I paid my bills, bought groceries, and gave my family members their allowances. Basically, I'm broke again. Yay! Time for vacation! I'm gonna stay up all night playing video games. Die, you troll! I'll eat cake all day and binge watch my favorite show. How could you do that to your own sister? And I'll rewatch every sad video in the world. Poor Hachiko! Your life was so hard. But my actual vacation looks a little different. You have plenty of homework and a whole list of books to read. And when you are done, start cleaning. The floor is not gonna sweep itself. Everything looks amazing in the window displays of stores. Wow! There it is on that mannequin! The dress of my dreams! I can imagine how it'll look on me. Come here, mannequin! Let me try this wonderful dress on. But in reality, this dress makes me look like I'm wearing a designer trash bag. I think the dress looks better on the mannequin. Here, wear it as much as you want. A perfect date looks like something out of a movie. A gorgeous restaurant, live music, flowers, a polite young man, romance, and of course, rose petals everywhere. This is every true romantic's dream. But a real date looks more like a hilarious reality show than like a romantic movie. Awkward conversations? A weird guy? Does he have the hiccups? Flowers from the nearest bush? A cleaning lady trying to add to the atmosphere? And nobody knows how to flirt? Oh man, it's not going to go so well. I'm allergic to pollen. Do you take this man to be your fairy tale prince? I do. And do you promise to always help your lovely wife? I do. By the power vested in me by Troom, I now declare you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. But after the wedding, my husband showed his true colors. The TV and the couch are his best friends, and the wife has to clean all the time. Married life isn't a fairy tale, it's a cautionary tale. Did you like our sketches? Then let us know in the comments if you have ever been in a situation where reality didn't match your expectations. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new videos from Troom.